August seems to be NIO's month. In the first week, the Chinese electric vehicle company took a turn for the better. Vehicle deliveries were very strong, with 7,931 vehicles delivered on July 2021, which equates to an increase of 124.5% year over year. NIO's famous SUVs such as the ES8 and the ES6 and the EC6 have reached 125,528 cumulative deliveries as of July 31st, 2021. NIO, aka the Tesla of China, is positioned to be a major player in the EV space and is only second to Tesla. China desperately wants one of its own companies to be the top spot of the EV race, and a lot of their hope for this dream rests with NIO. They are basically backed by the Chinese government. So far this year, NIO is seeing strong demand for its luxury electric SUVs. NIO's CEO, William Li, has predicted by 2030, 90% of new car sales in China will be fully electric and EV hybrids. If this prediction happens, that would mean tremendous growth for the EV space. Or in layman's terms, EVs are going to the moon, baby. Is William Li the techno king of China, or is NIO just another EV startup? To figure this out, we're going to have to look at the results of NIO's unaudited Q2 financial reports. In today's video, we will be going over NIO as a stock and whether or not this will go in the similar direction as Nikola. But before we move on, if you get any value from this video whatsoever, please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more weekly content. Also, please note that we are not financial advisors and this is not financial advice, so please do your own due diligence. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. Blue Sky Coming is the English translation of Wei Lai, which is NIO's Chinese name. And what can we say? The sky has really been clearing up for NIO. Founded in 2014, this EV car company had little experience in the vehicle manufacturing, compared with Tesla at least. NIO is just a cub and has a long way to go. On its journey to where it is today, NIO actually almost went bankrupt, but thanks to the Chinese government's $1 billion bailout last year, it managed to pull through. This, however, comes at a cost for NIO because there's no such thing as free capital. So, the question is, what's with NIO recently? In the first week of August, NIO's shares rose up 6.2% as of August 3rd. NIO's Q1 results show massive amounts of improvement, especially with revenue, which came in around approximately $1.23 billion in Q1 2021, which is quite a significant increase from the $196.6 million in revenue in Q1 2020. Deliveries of NIO's EVs went pretty much the same way, up a little over 20,060 vehicle deliveries, representing a 422.7% improvement from last year's Q1 and a 15.6% improvement from last year's Q4. NIO's definitely growing aggressively and may eventually give Tesla a run for its money in China. On the 11th of August, NIO announced its unaudited financial results for its second quarter, which ended on June 30th, 2021. In the second quarter alone, NIO delivered 21,896 vehicles, including its famous SUVs, which represent a major increase of 111.9% compared with 2020's second quarter, and a 9.2% increase from 2021 first quarter report. Just to start off with some few highlights from NIO's report, vehicle margins grew to 20.3% in Q2 2021. NIO's really how the kids say, bussin'. Even when NIO loses, they still sort of win. Losses from operations in the second quarter of this year came in at around 118.2 million, which presents a decrease of 34.2% from last year's second quarter, and an increase of 158% from the first quarter of 2021. The company's net loss was around 90.9 million in the second quarter, which represents a decrease of 50.1% from 2020's second quarter, and an increase of 30.4% in the year's first quarter. Now I know what you're thinking. Everything is looking pretty good. Should I pull the trigger and invest in NIO? Well, there's only one way to know for sure, and that's to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe if you want to see more weekly content. Just kidding. We're not financial advisors and we can't give you financial advice. What we can do is give you our opinion. NIO has a lot of potential and could definitely be a strong competitor in the EV race. Even so, it's still a baby in the industry. There's a lot of big challenges up ahead. Let's take a look at their bigger American brother, Tesla, for example. Elon Musk will be the first to tell you that they almost went bankrupt multiple times to get to where they are today.
When we first started Tesla and Solar City, we thought they would fail. We thought, Tesla in particular, we thought probably with maybe 10% chance of success.
NIO, which almost went bankrupt itself, is facing very similar dangers. It takes a very unique type of investor to invest in something like that and to be able to sleep at night. Are you that type of investor? If not, this might not be the stock for you. On the other hand, however, NIO has a lot of things that Tesla did not have, like backing from the government to protect them in case they fall. At least, the government's protected them this far. Overall, NIO's numbers look really good, but I would like to bring up Luckin Coffee as a tale of caution, which also had really good numbers and was supposed to be the Starbucks of China. Long story short, they were caught with accounting fraud, delisted from the NASDAQ, and had to pay the Securities and Exchange Commission, aka the SEC, $180 million, and also had to pay a fine to the Chinese government of $9 million. Needless to say, the stock went down. In February 2021, Luckin filed for Chapter 15 bankruptcy. Unfortunately for US creditors, this move protects them until they restructured.
No, God!
The moral of the story, guys, is you never really know. China is notorious for being a lot more lax than in the US, and the question you have to ask yourself is, do the risks outweigh the growth? And that's a decision only you can make for yourself. Although we did own shares of NIO, we have since sold out. Anyways, guys, that's it for this week's video. Let us know your thoughts on NIO. Will you be investing? Is this the Tesla of China or just another EV startup? If you got any value from this video whatsoever, please smash that subscribe button and that like button. And yeah, that's basically it. Until next time. Peace.